OGs, it's Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just gonna be on this Glueless 99J unit that I didn't pluck, that I didn't bleach the knots, on none of that. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. But yeah, so I was like struggling with like the no ball cap method thing, and then finally y'all, I was just like, it gotta be a way for me to do this. And some people were like, you just add powder to the cap. So I'm so pleased to not be doing the ball cap method anymore, y'all. Oh, it's hilarious because I'm talking about it in every video, like, oh, I ain't got no ball cap, I ain't got no ball cap. So childish. But I was over it already. I just couldn't master how to not use it. So but I'm just cutting the lace off. And I'm not gluing this down or free spraying it down, anything like that. I have adjusted my straps. I'm just gonna tuck like this piece behind my ear. Yeah, it's just like that. I know y'all like, what is Emily doing? Not putting this wig down. That's what I'm doing. And I know you can still see the cap, but I'm finna fix all of that. So just bear with me. You guys always ask, do I bleach the knots on my 99J units? And the answer to that is no, I do not. I don't even know if they would bleach because the unit has been colored. I have never imagined even trying to bleach them because the unit has been colored. Okay, so now you can't see the cap anymore. So yeah, I haven't even ever thought about bleaching my knots on a 99J unit. I'm gonna put my wax stick on my part. Then I'm gonna press my part out. I'm going in with my cheese silk infusion. I don't like going in with oils and stuff like that on 99J hair, but sometimes, I mean, it's just like necessary. The reason I don't like doing it is because it kind of like changes the tone of it. Like, it'll make it darker in the places where you put the oil. So that's just like why I don't like to do it so much. But when it's necessary, it's necessary. just to show you guys like what I'm doing. This is just how I get my 99J units to look as if though I bleached them. I just use a lot of powder, and yeah, so this is like completely glueless. You do kind of have to be, you don't have to, you could do it, like you could do this glueless and still have like the sideburn, but I just got mine tucked because it's really no big deal for me. But I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll be back. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. Completely glueless. Sometimes I don't be in the mood for all of that freeze spray, especially lately. Like, you know, hair has just not been my thing, baby. It just hasn't been my thing. And yeah, so this is the hair, glueless, not glued down, none of that. Yeah, but still a very nice install. Even if the wind blows, it'll look a little different, but it wouldn't look crazy at all. And I've never done a 99J unit like this or anything, so yeah, I just wanted to kind of play around with it and, you know, see what 99J is capable of. So I kind of did that today. And yeah, the unit is in itself, I am getting a few strands, so it's shedding. It is shedding. Not terribly bad, but when I run my fingers through it, I am getting a strand like every time that I do that. Even though it's just one strand every time. I mean, I'm just saying, like, I'm noticing it. So yeah, but this is the hair. So it's really pretty even in its natural state. I didn't do anything to it but comb it out. Yeah, I didn't do anything but comb it out. That's really it. To the actual hair, I just combed it out. And yeah, no ball cap, no freeze spray, just some Nairobi to hold down my baby hairs, which obviously is securing the unit. And then I have my straps adjusted like all the way. So yeah, and I didn't pluck this unit at all. Not even the baby hairs that I didn't pluck them. This is just how the unit comes. Yeah, I just added powder, cut my baby hair, and laid my part, and put a little powder in it. That's it. So didn't pluck it. It comes how you see it, all that. Like, that's what it comes like. So yeah, all of the links to this unit will be in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. And I'll talk to you all on my next one. Bye, y'all.